Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to promote Clickbank products for beginners. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money. And if those are topics that you'd like to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, we're talking about how to promote Clickbank products for beginners. First thing you want to do, of course, is to pick a profitable niche. And there's going to be three main areas that are going to be the most profitable, and those are going to be health, wealth, and relationships. And the reason that they are is that people have the most problems in those areas, and your Clickbank product is going to solve their problem for them. So those are the three that you would want to choose from. You want to find a product that has at least right around 50 gravity. So of course, going to Clickbank, you can create a free account. After you do that, you'll go to the marketplace here. I'm on health and fitness here, and you can see right here the top one that comes up, we're just searching by popularity, is Fat Belly Fix, but you can also change this and search by gravity. So this one always comes up first, the Red Tea Detox. But this one here is a new one, January 2019 launch. This actually looks like a good product, I think. Also, you want to look at to make sure they have a good affiliate page. So let's see here, this one. We'll click on the affiliate page. You want to make sure, of course, that the sales page looks good and the offer looks good, and ideally you would purchase it and see what's inside of it so that you know it's a good product and people aren't going to refund. You don't want to be promoting something that's not high quality. So let's see, we're just gonna go in here and see what the affiliate tools look like in this particular product, and they look really good. They've got interviews, they have banners, images, videos, email swipes, make your own landing page. This is huge because most of these affiliate offers don't offer this. Then they show you what keywords to use. Let me click on this landing pages. Okay, so this looks like it's something really good that you can use, because you don't want to just drive traffic to your sales page. You want to make sure you're collecting email addresses so that you can follow up with people who are interested in this product, because they may not buy it on the first time exposure. You know, usually it takes a few times. Somebody's just kind of thinking about it. And so if you click their email addresses, you can market to them in the follow-up series. Also, you can market them other products that are related in that same niche, not just this one. Okay, so after that, this one, let's see what the what the gravity was. I think it had a really good gravity. Yes, and so you want at least 50. And then you're going to do keyword research. And I would recommend the way that you promote this, because it's free, is YouTube. And it's just a great way to build an audience of people that know, like, and trust you. So if you recommend a product, they're likely to buy it. And just an extreme example of that is Oprah. You know, when she's built a huge audience, and when she recommends a product, people are likely to buy it, as opposed to if somebody told you about it that you don't know, you wouldn't be as likely to look at it or to buy it. So you're going to do keyword research, because you're going to be creating a YouTube channel around your particular niche. So if you're going to promote this product here, you would want your channel to be around something having to do with weight loss or belly fat. I would say you don't want to be too broad in your YouTube channel, so maybe you would do something around belly fat, or just even dial it down even smaller than that, like maybe for women, or just something not quite as broad. And then you can also do keyword research. Okay, they have some here. Keywords that you could create videos around. So lean belly diet, belly fat diet, the doctors. So these are some keywords that you can use to create videos around. But also YouTube has its own search engine. So if you go to YouTube here and you start typing like how to lose belly fat, then you would add like A, and you can see this one. The reason it shows 9,900 searches per month is because I have a free Google Chrome extension. It's called VID, VIDIQ. Just search that and install it, and it'll tell you how many times this keyword is searched a month. So this is a really good keyword. And then you would just go through the alphabet and see what keywords come up, and just keep a Word doc of all these keywords, and then start to create videos. I would recommend one a day, because that's going to start getting you some traction and some views over time. So you would find your keywords, do videos around those keywords. So let's just say we're going to choose how to lose belly fat at home. Just another tip for you to see how competitive, this may be a really competitive keyword, I'm thinking it is. You would put all in title, colon, and then put this in quotations, and see how many people have that exact phrase. And it looks like this particular one is really competitive, so as you can see all these videos. So you might want to pick a different one, but let's just say this wasn't competitive, like maybe there was only one page as opposed to just keep scrolling and scrolling. You would look at the top one here and just kind of see what do they have in their video. Obviously you're not going to copy it, but you want to kind of use the same ideas of what they're doing and come up with your own spin on it and create a video around that, because you can see they have 1.5 million views. And the same vidIQ, you can also see what keywords they're using that you can model after in your video. See right here, workouts for women, and then you would just use that one, right, this little tab right here, so you can model after those keywords and maybe be ranked up there close to the top. Okay, so, and then the last thing that you would do in each one of your videos, of course you'd spend a lot of time and make these really good videos, great content, and then at the end you would have a call to action, and where you would say, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for whatever your channel is about, so in this case for losing belly fat, click on the link in the description below this video if you'd like more information. And then you would include in your description your link to your lead capture page, which they're going to help you to create right here. Make your own landing page. Actually, this is ClickFunnels, so they're making some money from that. But I'm going to leave some links in the description below this video on some other videos that I did on how to create a sales funnel autoresponder series, how to hook those together, and to build a list. Some other videos that you'll find helpful in promoting Clickbank products. So that's how to promote Clickbank products for beginners. YouTube is a great way to do that. And I'm telling you, if you continue to do like daily videos, you'll start to build an audience. You'll start to get traffic and make sales. And the other great part about that is you can participate in the partners program. So you can eventually be able to create passive income. And you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to participate in that program. And that's where the ad will play at the start of your video, and when people click on that, you earn passive income, and that can definitely add up and give you a great side income besides the money that you're making on Clickbank. So that's just another idea, just to give you some motivation to get out there and create a YouTube channel. So if you guys found value in this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.